There's a helicopter in the sky! Dad.
Hey, listen, when you ascend it, you need to ascend it all.
Poor Taylor, did you crash?
No, that was him. Daddy!
You crashed! Oh no!
Hey guys, it's Taylor and Vanessa,
And we're back with some toys to play with.
So it's Easter, so we got some toys, and I got a monster truck. And what did you
And
get?
I got a little helicopter, so we're gonna try it out.
So let's get on to the video. Okay, so my dad realized we have to get scissors, so meanwhile, I'm gonna go play.
What about fire ants?
That's not funny.
There's a big nest next to you. You're not worried about that?
Seriously? It's over.
And he's back.
Hi. Go. Watch me fix my shirt. That's great. Lefty looks great.
So we finished building my car, so let's test it out.
Did it break? Go!
Can I turn it? It's turning. It works. There's a helicopter in the sky! Dad.
Hey, listen, when you ascend it, you need to ascend it all.
Poor Taylor, did you crash?
No, that was him.
Daddy!
You crashed! Oh no!
I think I just broke it.
Ow! Oh! miles per hour, and it drives slower than Taylor. So that's kind of awesome. Well, not awesome. See, it's very slow. I bet that's only like 5. But it can go backwards, and it can go to the left, and it can go to the right.
I'm already getting better from the last time I talked to you guys. So let's do it again. Let's lift it off with my hand. You guys ready? Okay, I'm gonna lift it off with my dad's hand. You ready? It's dead. Oh wait, no. Ready? Let's go. Ready? That's the best time I've ever flew. So basically I need to get better at my flying.
And this car doesn't go 60 miles per hour, but it's still a pretty good monster truck. And my favorite out of these two is the monster truck.
And my favorite out of these two is the helicopter.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what things you want to see us try out. So until next time, bye!